This is good news. Last week, President Joe Biden, Governor McGee, and White House COVID spokesperson, Dr. Ashish Jha, made a public announcement through the media that the federal government had decided to pick Providence, Rhode Island as the first US city in the United States to go with the program for the Test to Treat Center. The clinic that was awarded this contract has been in business for the last 10 years, since 2010. They are known as CEHC, otherwise known as Clínica Esperanza Hope Clinic. They provide health services and so forth. And they've also been treating COVID-19 testing and medication and so forth. They have been awarded this contract to be the first to go ahead with the pilot program of the Test to Treat Center. Now, you may be asking, what is the difference about this Test to Treat Center? Well, historically, when you didn't feel well and you suspected you had COVID-19 and you had symptoms, you would call your primary care doctor or your physician, and then you would have to go make an appointment, get tested. Then you would have to go pick up your medication at a pharmacy, then go home and isolate yourself for 5 to 10 days and so forth, which could take several days. With the concept of the Test to Treat Center, it's a one-stop and shop facility. So if you're not feeling well and you're experiencing symptoms, you would go to CEHC, go into the clinic, get tested, and if you tested positive, the doctor on site would actually give you the medication, which is an oral antiviral medication. You would take that medication to further the development of having that COVID-19 manifest itself further. Then you would go home and rest. That cuts a lot of time, days, in fact. So that the goal is that this would basically increase and have a better chance of reducing COVID-19 spread rather than going through the spikes of the highs and lows that we're going through now, by getting a control on this and treating people quicker. So this is not the only city that's going to have this facility, okay, even though Rhode Island is the first, okay? The government is going to set up funding to establish these in various locations throughout the United States, so that anyone who is feeling these symptoms can go to CEHC here in the state of Rhode Island, otherwise known as the Test to Treat Center. Now, for now, CEHC is in the town of Providence, located in the Olneyville community. The address is 85 Eagle Street, Providence, Rhode Island. Now, the hours and days fluctuate. They're open Monday through Friday. Saturday and Sunday, they are closed. And the hours will vary. They go from 9 to 2, or they may be from 10 to 4, or they may be from 1 to 8 at night. So you need to look at the schedule and see what days those hours apply. Now you're wondering, do you have to make an appointment before you go there? The good news is that you don't. It's a walk-in clinic. You just go, show up without an appointment, and they'll treat you. Now you may be asking, do I need health insurance? If I don't have health insurance, what do I do? Don't worry, this is a free program. It's been fully funded by the federal government. Just go in, show up, and get treated. These are exciting times because the concept of having this Test to Treat Center is to reduce the spread of COVID-19 as quickly as possible. And so we're going to see that the numbers are going to start looking like in the next 6 months with this concept of establishing these Test to Treat centers throughout the United States. If you have any further questions, feel free to call me, Mike Bear. My phone number is 401-216-5414, or you can send me an email. And my email is as follows. Thank you. Stay healthy.